Hello everyone, this is Roli here, and in this video we are going to learn what is HTML links and images. If you ever been through a web page, you may find different text which is of different color and underlined, and whenever we click into that text we go to a different web page. That is known as a link. As you can see here, this is a link. It is of different color as well as it is underlined. So whenever I click into this text, I just go to a different web page. Let's just click it. As you can see, it is going to a different web page. So how can we implement this link into our HTML code? It is implemented using a tag which is known as a tag, just a A. And it also contains a close tag which is / and a. But just with a tag we cannot implement a link. So a tag contains additional information which is known as an attribute. Attribute is something which gives additional information to a tag, and it is always written inside a starting tag. So for a tag we will use an attribute which is known as href. That stands for hyperlink reference. Hyperlink reference gives us the website which we will go when we will click the text. Let's just say https://google.com. This means that whenever we click into a text, we should go to this website. So let's just type the text. The text is typed between these two tags. So let's just type click me. So when this click me text is been clicked, it should go to this website. So let's just see if it's working. Let's just first run a code, launch in Firefox. As you can see, the text is of different color and it is also underlined. So whenever we click into this text, it is going to a google.com. So you learned about what is link and how we implement link. Now let's learn what is an image. You all know what is an image. So how can we use an image into a HTML web page? The image can be included using an image tag, which is img. Image tag is a singular tag. That means it does not contain a close tag. So image tag just contains img and a / here. Okay. Image tag also contains an attribute which is src, which tells us from where we need to get our image. And the image name is always written inside this double quote. Let's just say if our HTML code is in the same folder as well as the image in the same folder. See, my HTML code is in desktop HTML folder, and let's just take this image which is inside a HTML folder. Let's just take my work.jpeg. Let's just see the properties here. The extension, we should always remember the extension. It is jpeg. Let's just type the image name inside this double quote, which is my work.jpeg. Let's just save and just run the code. Let's refresh it. As you can see, the image is displayed, but the image size is not at all good. It's pretty large here. So we can adjust this image size using a new attribute which is known as width, where we can adjust the width of the image. Let's say it is 300, and there's a height attribute as well, which is HEIGST equal to 300. Okay, let's just save the file and refresh it. As you can see, the image width and height is 300. Now let's say if by mistakenly I have put the wrong name inside this. Let's just say my works.jpg. Just save the file and just run. The image is not displayed. So we will include a new attribute which is known as alt, which stands for alternative. Let's just say if the image is not inside the same folder, or the image spelling is wrong, so we can use the alternate attribute. Alternate attribute tells us is that if an image is absent, let's just print this text. If there is no image, the my work text will be printed. So let's just save the file and run. As you can see, the my work is printed because I've written my works.jpg, which is the wrong name. Let's just put a correct name and run the code. As you can see, the image is displayed. If there is no image, alternative, my work will be displayed. So let's just say if our image is not in the same folder, so how can we display the image? Let's just go to my folder, say downloads. I want to display this image login 1. So how can we display this image? Go to properties, see the path where our image is stored, copy this path and just see the name and see the extension as well, which is jpg. Okay, so go to a code, delete it, just paste the path here. Okay, just include a forward slash here as well, not a forward slash, it's a backward slash. Okay, and here also, and include a name of the image, which is login1.jpg, login1.jpg. Let's just save the code and refresh it. As you can see, the image is displayed. So if it is in a different folder, display the path. Okay, now say if you want to display the image which is online, you want an online image to be displayed. So how can we display the online image? It's pretty simple. Go to go to Google, just find what image you want to display. Let's say I want to display this image. Go to, do a right click and copy the image location and go to a code, just paste the image location between these double quotes. Okay, it's a pretty big. Okay, now just save the file and run. Go to our website here, web page, and let's run, refresh it. See, as you can see, the image is displayed, which is an online image. So today we have learned what is an HTML link and HTML image. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe. Thank you.